Hello guys, so let's make a new prediction for next week. So quick recap what happened compared to my last prediction um, was a little bit off, but was basically correct. Prediction was that stocks spike more we will see, wanna reach and test support, and I see the momentum still for the upside, but thought they do a small move to the upside and then fall down. And as you see, by a little bit move to the upside, then decided to fall down, gap here, then test support 3 times, try to move up, fail. So the prediction was nice, but improvement in the was a little bit off. Although at the end of last prediction, I wrote this because I saw that momentum is high. I wrote something like this, then a medium of the upside. So a little bit correct, a little bit off. So for next week prediction, what we see here, basically see a nice move up, then a pullback to the support. So we immediately think that we might see another the upside. But we can see that now we are in downtrend. We are below the trend here. This is the unique super trend I wrote, and we see the momentum is touching the trend of it, so we might see a fall to the downside. And also the stochastic, so the 50. And if we draw something like this, probably will do the same. So do we see another push to the downside? Because if we break this trend and it becomes purple, we see a close below, we will see a break for 35 again. At the moment we are above the 38 Fibonacci level, which is nice. I think we are still a strong uptrend with a small pullback. Usually we want to pull back to the 50 and even the 6180 with 4240. So we might see a formation which is aligned with the Fed's stating that the increase decrease its monetary effect, inflation, increase the interest rate maybe more rapid ways, which push the stock market lower. But again, where are you gonna put your money? So probably if I'm checking my algo check, from what I'm seeing, the weakness, I see the attempt to push down. I see maybe an attempt to test the 445 again and see how it goes. But I think that we might see another attempt higher to bring the buyers back in as 455 and we tested. So this is a no trade zone. This is no trade zone. Don't trade. And I might see a break to the 454 and here, and then immediately I think don't break it, close above it, green candle, we might see another push down, and this push bigger push. So usually when there is like GLD wave, a small wave, one, bigger one, smaller one. So the second push will be higher than the correction. You see, and might see bigger one, smaller one. Those downtrend started first push, bigger and smaller. So we might see something like that. At the moment, we are in downtrend, try to break 400. 3 and 4 times failed, and yeah, below the 445, 46 hold, and but I still want to see it below the 405. So 445 B is yellow. So for me, this vision will it immediately go down. You see there is no clear divergence going down, down, going down. There's no divergence, and you might call it here a divergence because this is moving down, up, which is good. But I think you want to break the 460 again, you need more buy, more momentum. You want to stretch it here and then buy. This is a smaller put, but moment is on. There is no clear direction. I want to see it above this line, measure the upside. Don't see what happened here. Caught up a lot of buyers, which waited here and then fell off. We might do another fake break. So wait for it. 405 good area and 445 area bounce. What will happen? I think what I see here. Yeah, I'm gonna see the downtrend going down to the 440 and next 435.80. So those are the key zone. I think we might see another attempt and then down, or immediately see a gap down and immediately join those areas. And from there, this is for this. Let's use the Qs. The prediction again was that it will reach the 346. Didn't finish to touch this line, so I think it will try or even gap down a little bit, so close, and retest. So it might pocket a little bit, then higher. We didn't finish the movement. Again, it here. So continue lower, didn't finish, check, retracement. $340, this 50. So same, we are in the 38 when Fibonacci level. A good retracement 50. So probably a lot of buyers are waiting. The computer are waiting for the 50 and even on 80 Fibonacci level. From there, they start to test and start to buy. And so the move probably did a nice down. There is no gap. Here there is no not gap. And movement is downside. 200 started purple, so yeah. And super trend moving nicely down. So we might retest it and sideways it, then decided 40, then decided what to do next. So gonna be a little bit tricky week. Test and find just same need to touch probably the 1000, 1012. My prediction was correct here. I thought it will move up, but I didn't predict the big move, the 1145. Thought it will do something like this one and then move 1026. Was correct. And so now we test else. The downtrend want to break in the longer term. Not seem so good, but Tesla like to surprise us. The longer term, it seems that next target is 846. Not good because someplace this area, but this is in progress because but there is several steps need to follow. So the next target will be the 950 compress here and the 900. And you know what? Check Fibonacci level there. This is the 1000 and up. So yeah, the 1000, the 38, it will want to reach there. The 50 is the 953, 954 there, and the 61. Yeah. So algos good for you. Know how to calculate matches. So yeah, it probably want to touch here, retest, and then 50 again. We are downtrend. And we down, yeah, hold down, and you see 100 here, might like this, but in order to hold down, sell a lot, and in order to sell, someone has to buy. So let's see if we open with gap down. Might even gap down. It didn't come up. Because investors like cheap price. They immediately gap down 1000, buy, then buy, and then buy. So I will wait to see how it reacts to the mortgage 1000. I think I will vote. But let's I'll just think something really have followed out. It seems that you wanna break and so 20 have 10 8. So 20 we have 10. So let's hope give us the enter with the shot to 1000 bounce, how it reacts. Interesting because now there is a divergence. There is divergence. All divergence here. Starting to divergence means that for the longer term the stock market higher, but it needs to bring higher. Tesla just bring the bias. Doesn't mean break downside a big fall. Completing virgin. Yeah. MRNA. MRNA was I see the little push upside. I thought it will reach again and retest 185 and then push down to 7, but it did a little bit upside and then move and nice test. Magnet. See, again, magnet. Touch it. So what we have here below the 200. So this of one we crossed, and just by looking at it, being big and trying to break the first break, retest, and maybe now we're gonna see break it out because it won't fight, but it needs to take out of pro here. This is a fake break. It break the trend, immediately goes below. This is the reason why trend line here. Now that it closed above once, definitely have up again, and lots of short seller start to exit, but the moment we are down, is down, even though that second trend here breaking volume was higher, so I didn't orange one. Think above it, gonna close above it, start to enter, and why we won't see low, just reversal, goes below the 154, one goes below, it's 100, just above. So at the moment, I think that they won't go high. Want to go higher a little bit, observing the price area, big price area for MRNA, 120, 180 bucks. So this is bucks, like another 100. So which, if it break it, next target 120 as we said earlier, next 260, nice. So something needs to happen for the week break higher. I hope it won't be another variation. It high and go for the dots. What happened there? Just put here and low. Next target 107, 100 even. Sideways. Nice divergence. Price down. Fine stuff. Like So you see, cross above. Houston will have a go. Goes high, won't break again. So be ready. You can call it maybe not a flag that, but basically. So Facebook, nice, and move up to 5, fell off, probably but touch the 7 again, retest. And you know what? Same is oh, this is the first break, so we might see another break, and if it holds, might see an out because this stock with big gap, which need to big gap waiting, and this is first February, 2 months. Everybody's so in order to push up, it needs to make wait and to check out all the short sellers up and go with the buyers. Right. So we might see a little bit fall down, gap down, retest, and wait for it again. And not much. Might want to look for it. Interesting. How it goes. There is no divergence that so might see another push downside, getting the divergence, no volume downside. People not like it down. Just look nice center. Then see how it goes. So momentum is down, that's down, pointing across below. Might see another down, then again, something like this, then create it. Basically, okay. Up. Okay. Oh. M2PA, come on. That. So we again, nice BA coming to the magnet again. Went it row much earlier, and it listened. Amazing. Again, listen here. Nice. Throw it. But leave it here. But goes below twice. How it acts again. Can draw a small line here. And wait for it for this break up again, but for me, yay, and should reach the 1. Follow it. Following it. And you know what? Take price. Quite quick. Check. So I think might see break, order to break. Bring the bars out and by the stop. We are downtrend, so nice below. So this here, but longer term we are in sideways. Let's wait and see if it break the 173, 174, 17, 16 area, like go forward, no divergence there, down here, might fully a divergence, but stop 5, like side. I will wait for you exit out again, wait for it to come. So look, guys, gold, which did nothing. So gold, like gold, means that stock market just waiting, touch support, test, right, and it might reach money, and it seems so, and because it seems so, it might hold down a little bit, and we see the momentum now above the 50, fast over both their buyers are coming, but we see some reverse, so it means that much higher move, buyers coming forward, buyers average, then we see higher in gold, market down, gold edge, and we see here definitely break this and higher test spot here, get divergent, but didn't finish. Cross means that if price here just with one candle, 400 candle, it break the divergence, means be a little bit higher for this and this higher for this and gold higher again, and nice inflation and higher above it, short sellers out cover the position, then next area, which is probably money 5 area. So gold that gonna see down. Check oil, whatever. Fine. Gold didn't follow oil, and again, yeah, on Friday, yeah, Friday, big confirmation, and you know what? That small and above higher, not good, which is, and again, gold. Want to see it break high. So here, I don't want to see it going up, guys. But momentum, get divergent, green candle up. Potential on mid oil. Check that. So Apple didn't finish again like other stock, down 167, feel nice 200, but probably spike it and then decided it's higher. And data. Check again. Nice. And if you draw a line, finish a little bit lower, try to create the divergence, and then try to decide the 167 here, the Fibonacci level, 164. Yeah, nice potential to down the track down stock, and align with old OXY else. So you might see an easy week of short selling. It guys. So I'm gonna count it up. We bounce from the 38. Means a lot of buyer wait for a good price action buy and higher. We don't see the break and plastic, and we don't see clear divergence yet. Don't see the big volume coming up again. The volumes starting 8 from the Fibonacci level, that the algorithm react Fibonacci level. So I decided, and I think we should wait for the fit and wait for investor for the long term of wait. Hold your FOMO and wait, but for day trade, hold mine, because take it for the short side, show it, you're in a downtrend. So this is it. I think that we're gonna see a downtrend, guys. And we're gonna see the reports coming. The company, how it goes. They're given a good result, because bad result will immediately create the market. So this is it, guys. Thank you, and hope you have a good trading week, and see you guys later.